Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Club Couture. Now today I'm excited to show off the Club Couture. We have our first official Club Couture, which is March. So if you had signed up in February, this is the transfer you would get now. Now I'm going to replace it and do it on this one. This was February. It's not an official one, but you can get past ones if you sign up. You have that option to do that one time, I believe. But anyway, we're going to replace this one, which is really cute, and we have the transfer, so we can always redo it again if we want. And we're going to use this one, and it's a two-part. This is the background, and this is in the foreground. So let's do it. All right, I'm just taking the water, spraying it over, and use our board eraser to clean up the board from the one I had on before. Now, this new one, it is new, so it's super sticky. So always, when you're putting on a non-porous board, fuzz it up. It just simply takes some of the stickiness off. Place it on your board where you want it. And now this is the background. It's going to be the shadow for the words. And I'm on a kick now with the shimmer gold and the white on black. So guess what colors we're doing, or I'm doing. This is shimmer gold, and this is the new paste. I love it. It's awesome. We also have it in the ink too, if you've seen some of the other videos I made. So it is a big netting on there, a big space with the netting. So be careful with it. You don't want to stretch the netting out. It could cause it not to transfer that well. But look at that. It looks awesome, right? Now, this is a layered stamp. So you want to make sure the first layer is really dry before you put the second one on, and fuzz the second one a lot. You think it's ready to go, fuzz it again. And then lightly, with your squeegee, put the second layer on. And look at that. It's awesome, right? I love it. So if you love it and you want to look into it some more, remember it's a monthly subscription, $19.99 a month. That's it. I think you're obligated for 3 months, but after that, nothing. That's fine. So if you're interested or like to check this more, go to my website,